quick and easy fire roasted salsa. You make it so fast, faster than you can last. That's what she said. Perfect, let's go. All right guys, so inside of this salsa, we're gonna have 1 can of 14.5 ounces fire roasted tomatoes. You can totally go roast your own tomatoes, everything like this, but the goal with this salsa, be quick and easy. Now, you can also do fire roasted jalapenos. I just have 2 plain jalapenos. Keep in mind with 2 jalapenos, this is gonna make it quite spicy. That's the way I like it. Next thing, you are gonna have 1/4 cup of cilantro. You can go 1/2 cup if you wanna go a little bit heavier. We're going to have some minced garlic. We're gonna have 2 garlic cloves worth of minced garlic. You should get it all in there because garlic is made. We're gonna have 1/2 cup of an onion, about 1/4 of a large white onion. Once we're done with that right there, we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Top it off. We're gonna be using our black cherry smoked sea salt. This is absolutely amazing. And we're gonna be doing about 1 tablespoon or so. I'm gonna use my grinder that's loaded up with it right now, just so we can be fancy and have that extra flair. Now that we got that, pretty much done. We're gonna throw this in the food processor, let it go. Check our consistency and how it is looking. We're gonna let it go just a little bit longer. All right. I mean, that is a perfect style restaurant salsa. Taste is perfect and on point. There has to be a better way to make these to where your blade is not directly in the middle. Let's move our processor out of the way. Grab a ramekin, fill it up. And this thing makes a ton of salsa. So good, so easy. You don't have to go to the restaurant just to get chips and salsa.